Okay, good morning 11th class. Then today we'll study about characteristics of S and P block elements. In earlier video I have already explained you what that one is regarding to division of elements into S, P, D and F blocks. Okay, so today we'll do characteristics of S and P block. Now first of all, that one is regarding to S block elements. Okay, our first work is that one is regarding to S block elements. Now in case of S block element, first of all you know that one is group 1 and 2 elements. Okay, group 1 and 2 elements are combinedly known as S block elements. Okay, now in case of group 1, that one is known as alkali metals, if you remember that we have already done, and group 2 elements, that one is known as alkaline earth metals. Okay, that one is alkaline earth metals. So combination of both will form S block elements. Now in this one, okay, you know that in both the group, all the elements, those who are present, they are purely metal. Okay, ये सारे के सारे कैसे हैं आपके मेटल हैं, and they have low melting and boiling point. Generally their melting and boiling point is low. Okay, now in this one, first of all, question arises why group 1 and 2 elements means they are known as S block elements. Okay, now in this one, if you will see the electronic configuration, so in case of first and second group, the last electron enters in S subshell, or you can say S orbital. Okay, example, you can take any example. It's a lithium S block element, first one. Okay, that one is atomic number 3. This one is 1s2, 2s1. Okay, now just see, you can take another example. It's a beryllium. That one is example of group 2, first element. Okay, this one is 1s2, 2s2. So just see, last electron enters in S subshell. You can take another example. It's a sodium, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s1. Now just see, last electron enters in first subshell. That's why these elements are known as S block elements. Okay, now in this one, what about their general formula? Okay, the simple general electronic configuration, that one is general EC. So for S block elements, we have general electronic configuration, and that is equal to NS122. Okay, this N is number of shell. Okay, which shell, first, second, third, fourth, and this one is S because last electron enters in S subshell, and 1 to 2. Reason, if it belongs to first group, okay, so obviously in outermost shell how many electron is present? 1, and if it is second group, so in outermost shell how many electron is present? 2. So that's why in case of S, maybe number of electron is 1 and maybe it is 2. So their general electronic configuration is NS122. Okay, now this one is clear to you. So this one is one thing. Now another thing we have, that one is they have low melting and boiling point, done. Another thing, that because in outermost shell they have 1 and 2 electron, and you know that one is, if in outermost shell 1 or 2 electron is present, so they have tendency to lose electron and become positively charged ion, means they are cation. Okay, so it means, okay, in case of S block element, they form univalent or bivalent, okay, ions, you can say. That one is either it's a sodium, so after losing 1 electron, okay, this one become Na positive, that one is univalent. And if it loses 2 electron, like this, it's a magnesium, after losing 2 electron, this one become Mg2 positive, so that one is bivalent in nature. So they have tendency to lose electron and they form, okay, that one is positive ion. So you can say either they are electropositive in nature because they have tendency to lose and form positive ion. Okay, so these are some characteristics. We have another characteristics also. Okay, now just see, in case this, okay, now because they have tendency to lose electron, it means that one is group 1 and 2 elements. Okay, they are very strong or you can say simple very nahi bhi लगाओगे, they are strong reducing agent. Okay, they are strong reducing agent. Okay, they are strong reducing agent. You know, reducing agents are those who have tendency to lose electron easily. That's why, and you know, group 1 and 2 elements, okay, because they have tendency to lose electron, that's why they are very strong, or you can say they are a strong reducing agent. This point is clear to you? Okay, so maybe reasoning question is there, okay, ki why first group and second group they cannot be obtained by chemical reduction. Okay, that one is method. तो simple, because selfly they are very good reducing agent. तो accordingly उसमें क्या आ जाएगा इसका answer. Now next thing is that group 1 and group 2 elements, they are, okay, they are reactive, or you can say highly reactive in nature. Okay, they are reactive in nature or highly reactive in nature. That is the reason that group 1 and group 2 elements, they will not found in free state. They always found in your obtained occur in combined form. हमने पढ़ा था those who are less reactive they occur in, okay, free state, but those who are reactive elements, okay, they always occur in combined form. Okay, then another thing is generally they form ionic compounds. First group and second group members, they form which type of compound? They form ionic compound. Okay, except, okay, they form ionic compound except lithium and beryllium, because lithium and beryllium they form partial covalent compound as comparison to pure ionic bonds. Okay, so this one is regarding to S block elements. Okay, now we're in class. Next we have that one is regarding to P block elements. Now in this, that last electron enters in P orbital. Okay, that last electron enters in P orbital, so that's why these elements are known as, okay, that one is P block elements. Now it consists of, okay, how many groups? It consists of 6 groups. Okay, which one? That is from 13th to 18th. Now in this one we have boron family, carbon family, nitrogen, oxygen family, halogens, and even noble gases also. Okay, so now in this case, in case of P block elements, now, okay, this one is the block element in which, yeah, simple you can say, in this block all the type of elements are present, means metals, non-metals, metalloids, and noble gases. All 4 types are present in P block. Okay, now in this one it means their properties are vary according to the element, means some element shows properties of metal, some shows non-metals. Those who are noble gases, obviously they will show their property ki they are noble in nature, they will not react with other elements. Some are highly reactive, okay, like halogens, okay, they are very reactive. Okay, so accordingly their properties are there. Now just see, you know why these are P block element, you can write their configuration. Simple, in case of boron, that one is 5, 1s2, 2s2, 2p1. Now just see, last electron enters in P subshell. Okay, you can take example of fluorine also, 1s2, 2s2, 2p5. Okay, another one is neon, it's the same, but at last it's a 2p, it's a 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. Okay, so in this last electron enters in P orbital, that's why these these elements are known as P block elements. Now what about their general electronic configuration? Okay, this one is general electronic configuration. I am writing in short, this one is general electronic configuration. Now just see, in this one, that S is complete. Okay, so you can write this one is NS2. Okay, and another one is NP, it's a 1, 2, 6, because how many groups we have? That one is 6 group we have. Okay, and the electron vary from 1 to 6 like this, 1, 5, 6. Okay, so this one is NS2, NP, 1 to 6. So it depends upon, okay, that element belongs to which group. Okay, now in this case, mostly, okay, they form covalent compound. Simple, mostly form covalent compound, mostly form covalent compound. I am not saying ki always, okay, this one is mostly form covalent compound. Okay, now just see, in this case that we have halogen. Okay, halogens are very good, okay, or either you can say it's a very strong oxidizing agent. Okay, now this one is halogens are strong oxidizing, this one is oxidizing agents. Okay, now why strong oxidizing agent? First of all, you know that oxidizing agent means they have tendency to gain electron. So you know, in case of halogen, okay, that outermost shell, how many electron? Okay, 5 electrons, sorry, in outermost shell this is a 2 plus 5, it's a 7. The outermost shell 7 electrons are there, and only 1 electron is required to complete its octet, means to acquire noble gas configuration, okay, and to acquire stability. That's why they are very strong. Okay, that one is halogens are very strong oxidizing agent because they have tendency to gain electron and become stable. Okay, that's why. Okay, so in this one their properties vary according to the elements. So इसमें सारे different elements, just like noble gases also we have, so their properties are vary accordingly. Okay, so this one is regarding to P block elements. Now D block and F block we will study in another video. Okay, thank you.